Counsel.
Your Honor, the state calls Gabe Morin.
Okay. Sir, if you'd step in front of Brittany, we'll get you sworn in, please.
Please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear the testimony you're about to give in the matter before the court to be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, subject to the pains and penalties of perjury? Thank you. Please have a seat.
Good morning, sir.
Hello,
What, sir, is your name?
Gabriel Morin, M-O-R-I-N.
And what do you do for a living?
I own a restaurant over in Camas.
And, sir, is that the Mirror Lake Diner?
Yes, sir.
How long have you owned it?
Almost 13 years.
Do you operate it as well?
Yeah.
Scott, can I get 8.6 or 8-6, please?
Can you see that on screen, sir?
Yeah.
Okay.
Scott, if you can please scroll down. We'll go back to the top. Sir, do you recognize these records?
I do.
Are these records made at the time of the transaction?
Yes.
And is it your business's regular practice to make these records?
Yeah, I mean, there's some, at the time of an order, the table is created, whether it's a to-go order or someone physically in the restaurant. And then when the card is actually swiped, then the table's closed.
Okay, so we're going to get into that. I just need to lay a little bit of foundation to admit them, then we're going to publish them. But do you keep these records as
Your
a
Honor,
regular?
we don't object, but you can, it's fine to come in.
States 8-6 is admitted.
Thank you. Let's publish them, please, Scott, Your Honor. Scott, if you can, let me see here. Okay, so generally, what are we looking at?
So at 9:07, Megan is our employee. I believe this was a to-go order that was called in.
Okay.
And then, it was paid for in person at the time of pickup. $10 was written on gratuity, then $41.39 was a total charge.
So does this reflect a receipt from a called-in order at your diner on April the 14th, 2022?
Yeah,
And the card entry method there, S, is that for swiped?
yeah.
And then the card was present, that's what that's telling us?
Yep.
Signature at the bottom, normal receipt that we've all seen all the time, always?
Yeah.
Scott, can you go to the next page, please? What, so is this portion of the document that we're looking at now?
Okay, so this is Megan's checkout. This would be at the end of her shift. And this is like a breakdown of credit cards, whether MasterCard, Discover, cash sales, and that kind of stuff.
And then, Scott, if you can go down to the third document. Can you embiggen that top part? Thank you. And then, sir, what is this?
Okay, so this is an audit of that particular order. So you can see the timeline on the left side. So at 8:55, it says a Greek omelet, quinoa salad, bagel sandwich with hash browns, and then Kouri is typed in. So at 8:55, an order was placed. At 9:07, the food was ready. 9:07, payment was applied. And then at 10:50, adjusted payment. So the server has some leeway as to when they actually adjust their tips. I mean, before they're into their shift, they're going to go through all their sales and adjust tips. Some servers wait till the end of the day. At 11 o'clock on Valentine's, we weren't very busy, so she did it during the day.
Sir, why the name Kouri?
Well, because there's a phone-in to-go order. So we don't take credit cards over the phone unless we really need to, but we do enough to-go orders that we want a name associated with it so we don't get the orders mixed up. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. I don't have any further questions.
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Hello.
You and I have met before, but just to remind you, I'm Kathy Nestor. I represent Kouri Richins.
Yeah.
So I want to go back to what the Exhibit 8.6 that the state just went over with you, and if we could go to the last page.
One moment.
Can you go to the next page? The very last, that page, and then blow it up? And can we publish, Your Honor? It's in.
Yep. One moment.
Okay. So could we please highlight the bagel sandwich and the Greek omelet? Now, I've visited your diner. You guys have had similar menu items for a long time. Is that fair to say?
Yeah.
You're pretty familiar with your food?
Yeah, we haven't changed the Greek omelet since day one.
Okay, what's in the Greek omelet?
Feta, spinach, Kalamata olives, 2 eggs, spinach.
And it's an egg omelet.
Yes.
I don't know if there's another kind,
Yeah.
but just in case. All right. And so that is just the egg dish itself, right? It's not a sandwich.
No, it does come with a choice of hash browns or country potato. You can modify that and do a quinoa salad, which is what happened in this case.
Okay. So they switched out the hash browns for the quinoa salad.
Yeah, so there's an upcharge for that, but like you could get soup instead of hash browns, so
Great.
your side.
And then what's in the bagel sandwich?
Bacon, egg, and cheese, avocado, and tomato.
All right. And it's on what type of bagel?
Just a New York plain water bagel.
All right. And is there mayonnaise or anything on it?
Nope.
So it's a fried egg?
Typically over hard.
I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
over hard. Yeah, fried egg over hard.
Over
So it's
hard.
Over
I'm
hard.
sorry.
So not runny.
Got it. So
Yeah.
it's a fried egg over hard.
Mm-hmm.
Great.
And then pepper jack cheese.
All right.
Yeah.
And when you get that ready for a to-go order, how do you package it?
It's because it's with hash browns. It'd be in a styrofoam box.
And it's a hot sandwich, correct?
Yeah.
You certainly wouldn't want to eat an egg sandwich cold.
Right.
That'd be kind of gross, right?
Debatable, but
Okay.
yeah.
Maybe a cold egg sandwich.
We do a lot of to-go that okay, that's what they want.
Okay, but you give it to them hot.
Absolutely.
All right. Okay. And I'm sorry, just to refresh my memory again, the ingredients on the bagel sandwich are
2 slices of bacon, 2 eggs over hard, 1 slice of pepper jack cheese, about a quarter of sliced avocado, and typically 2 slices of tomato.
okay.
And then the bagel itself,
All right.
toasted.
Court's indulgence for just 1 minute. I think I'm almost done. Just 1 second, okay?
Okay.
And just to be clear, the time that was on the stamp says 8:55 a.m. Could we bring that up one more time? I just want to make sure I understand what that time means. Is that the time of the order or the time it was picked up?
When it was ordered, so it was called in at 8:55,
All right,
and then it was physically picked up and paid for at 9:07.
perfect. At 9:07 in the morning.
Yeah,
It's breakfast.
well, it says a.m., so that's
Okay,
I'm
perfect.
going with it.
Perfect. Thank you. That's all I have, sir. I appreciate it.
Okay.
No, Your Honor.
Sir, you can step down. May we release this witness, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
You're free to go. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.